Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Scuba Steve Herbalife Slushy. So I'm adding about 2 cups of ice, adding some water. Again, I'm going to have more ice versus water because I want to have that slushy kind of effect. I'm adding 1 scoop of our Tropical Twist fiber. I'm adding a Tropical Liftoff, 2 scoops of our H3O, some mango aloe, then I'm gonna dust the cup with the pineapple Fandango Stevia. Then I'm gonna blend it for about 10 seconds and then pour it, and then I put a little bit more stevia and a pineapple on top. That's it. Thanks for watching.